Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have some happy mail from my dear friend Kat at LollyThimble here on YouTube. And look at this gorgeous packaging. Kat, I got it. So I opened the paper. Okay, I've got the wrapping off. And I'm just going to now open up the box. Ooh, look at that. Rainbow confetti tissue. Woo! oh, it's part of the package. Okay, guys. That is what it looks like. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. You guys see this box full of stuff? I'm going to put the box. I'm going to pull this lovely packages out. What did you do? I'm going to cover that for now so that I can read that as I open. What in the world? Oh my gosh. There's the card. But guys, there is this beautiful, look at this magic ball right here. If I could just, let me raise it up a little bit. There we go. Look at this thing. This is gorgeous. I would just display this just like this if I had the shelves in my room. But I will open this last. And let me see. This is a card. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. It's a kitty. It says, have a perfect day. Cutie. Aww. I'll be back. I need to rush. Truly hope you like what I made for you. There is a note inside telling what and how it was put together. Hope you're enjoying your autumn season so far. Hope it's filled with sparkles and fun. Happy birthday. Sending you so many hugs and snuggly warm wishes. Much love, Kat. Oh, Kat, you're so cute. Girlie, you are never late when thinking of people. Doesn't matter when their birthday was, you were thinking of others, and I know it is not easy to always keep up with friends. I am one who is guilty of all of that. And then there is, oh my god, she wanted to get me something from Guam. I found this artist on Etsy. Her stuff is so cute. I left it in the original envelope. It was mailed to me, and her shop name is in her address. I hope you like it. XOXO Kat. Oh my god, Kat! Oh, I just got goosebumps. Oh my god. You're sending me something from my home? It is so insane. Oh my god. Okay, so this is her. Okay, Little Works of Heart. H-E-R-T on Etsy. And yes, it's from home. Oh my god. This is so adorable. Oh my god. This is her food. And she made it like Hawaii style. The art. And this is called tamales gisu. And it is a spicy and like savory. It's like a rice. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Mexican tamales. That's the similarity. Latiza is a cake and pudding dessert. Oh my gosh. Empanada is like the Mexican empanadas, but the shell is it's savory and the filling is spicy. And buchi buchi is what I make. It's like a turnover, and you can make it with pumpkin, apple, depending on your flavor that you like, even papaya. My aunt on Guam makes buchi buchi. And then calaguen is made with chicken, barbecue chicken, and lemon and peppers and onions. And buñuelos is fried donuts. Oh my god. This is adorable. Oh my god. Kat. Oh, Kat, thank you so much. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm gonna cry. I guess because I miss home, but thank you so much. And the artist's name is Meritus CB, and her Etsy shop is Little Works of Heart, H-E-R-T. Oh my god, Kat, thank you. Thank you, girl. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thought of you when I saw these. XO. Oh, it's so cute. And they all have pom-poms. Look at this zebra. Look at this zebra. This flamingo. Oh my gosh, that's just like the wrapping paper. Oh, Kat. Kat, you're making me cry. My goodness. Oh, I'm sorry. Catch my breath. Ribbon says, just for you. And it's purple. Yes, ma'am. Oh, let's see what she wrote. Some pretty purple stuff to play with. Oh my god. I don't want to mess her bow up. It's so perfect. Oh, Do I have to? Let's see. That's so perfect, Cat. Oh, there we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, you know I'm keeping this. Oh, this pretty paper. Hopefully I only tear through one and not all of them. There we go. This is one layer. The top layer gets sacrificed. In the world. www.stamperia.com. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm backwards, but... What? Cat! Oh my god! I'm snotting over here. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, these are like fabric labels looking. And she not just got me one, she got me two. Oh my gosh, Cat. What are you doing to me? You spoil me so bad. Oh my god. And I just messed up. I opened the bottom, but it's okay. We can work it out. I just don't want the little itsy bitsies to fall out. Cat, what in the world? This is my color book. Paper crafting embellishments. It includes trims, woven, accents, brads, paper flowers, and bubbles. Yes, these are the bubbles. But there's the paper flowers, and there's the... Oh my god. Thank you, Cat. Girl. Here, and I know you are not feeling your 100%, but look at you. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at all of that. Oh, it's so pretty. Cat, thank you. I'm a hot mess right now. There's 10 double face sheets, and they're acid free. It's gorgeous. Look at this. It looks like it's woven. A lot of lavender. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it, Cat. Thank you so much, my friend. Oh my gosh. It's called Province since 1995. Stamperia Classic Collection. And it's gorgeous. Can you guys even see this? Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Well, it's beautiful if you love purple. I love purple. So, oh my gosh, Cat. What in the world? How do you thank somebody who's always so giving? Beautiful lady, thank you. I so appreciate it. I don't know what to say. I haven't even opened this monster right here. This lovely monster right here. But I will get into it. I will. Here we go. It's her beautiful ribbon again. And you know, guys, if you guys follow Kat, which you should, she is an amazing, amazing. I don't call her a crafter, okay? She is not a crafter. She is a freaking artist. Everything she makes is beautiful. And if I could just make a video of all the things that I even have in my home that is from Kat, oh, it's beautiful. And she does sell her creations. What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god! This is so sick. I'm so ridiculous right now. Oh my god. No. This thing is so beautiful. This is a pumpkin, a fabric pumpkin. She made it. And it's all embellished, all thrifted, all beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, she has the note. She put the note. She said, there's a note. And it says, ta-da! Oh my god. I want to cry. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, Kat. And look at the little bling on the stem. Can you guys see the stem? Look at this. This is the stem right here. And she blinged it out. Okay, let me read this. Made from an upcycled beaded cashmere sweater. Oh my goodness. All the laces and ribbon are vintage. The big roses started out stark white. What? You see these roses right here? Can you guys see them? Right here. These are the big roses that she's referring to. She said those started out stark white. I used mocha and purple sprays. Oh, I love it. Oh, from Tattered Angels. I sprayed all the paper flowers the same way. A few leaves and picks from my stash. Clock buttons to match the big medallion hanging at the bow, along with some acrylic baubles. Glittered and sprayed the birch stem from my yard. Her yard. I have a piece of her home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bottom is finished off with a doily and vintage coat button. I hope you like it, sweetie. Happy belated birthday. Oh my god. Kat! Oh, you're so amazing. I really appreciate it. It's so beautiful, you guys. If you could only see how big this is. I can hug this pumpkin. It's a beautiful pumpkin. You could not put this thing away. This is an artist right here. This is why I said she is not a crafter. because an artist takes it to the next level, and she takes it to the next level. You guys, this is gorgeous. I don't even deserve this. And she did this for me. And I'm such a crybaby right now. I don't know why. Kat, I thank you, my dear. Look at these. I can't even share your beautiful creation because I got tears in my eyes and they're blocking my view. Oh, look at the satin rose. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. You guys, there's a key here. It says wish. And here's these vintage laces. It's so delicate. And the paper flowers, the roses. There's some clock right here. Oh my gosh, you guys, you could just stare at this thing all day. And here's the beaded sweater, the cashmere sweater. It is so purple. I love it so much. I love it so much, Kat. Oh my God. Oh, Lord. To find a friend like Kat is nearly impossible. You guys, and she didn't only just send me a birthday gift, she sent my son a birthday gift. And she said I didn't have to put it on video, but oh my God, my son loves it. And she thought of him and he was just so happy. He was so happy that someone from my YouTube thought of him. And he was like, it's for me. Look at this. There's little hearts in here. You guys, my boogers are falling. I'm sorry. It's so gorgeous. Look at this vintage ribbon. You could see the aging. You could see how it's discolored because of the age. And her spray also, the spray that she said she used, it was the Tattered Angels? Yes, Tattered Angels, which I'm not familiar with, but I will learn. Oh my gosh. You see these eucalyptus right here? I do believe she speckled these things on these little leaves right here. Can you guys see the sparkle? That is glitter on the very tips to make it look like dew. Oh my God, you are so amazing, Kat. Oh my goodness. Let's find that gorgeous medallion. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at these gems. It's so big, it's wanting to run away from me. Look, and there's a purple doily in there. Can you see that? Beautiful, Kat. Oh my God. If you are in the Colorado area, you need to find her on YouTube and check out her stuff because she is amazing. She sells her creations in boutiques. And I do believe, well, I don't know if she's doing a show, but she used to do the craft shows. But I think now she's mainly selling in boutiques. Please look her up. Look at what she did. She put bling on this clock. If I did that, I would have hot glue all over my clock. I'm sorry. It's just that I'm just not that talented. That is gorgeous. You guys, there's so many hidden treasure. She's so good at hiding. And you have to look at each piece and discover it yourself. It's so beautiful. Kat, even the leaves. She found all these florals from thrifting. The lady is amazing at thrifting. These amazing pieces. Like, oh my gosh. I love it. Kat, you made me cry. You made my day. You made me so super happy. My friend, this is gorgeous and I appreciate you thinking of me. I mean, I can't create something like this. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. There's vintage everything in here. And the bow is so perfect. The stem is from her yard. My heart is just overflowing right now. I so appreciate you, my dear friend. Oh my God. Kat, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I can't stop talking about it because it's beautiful. Oh my God, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please go check out Kat at LollyThimble here on YouTube. Tell her I sent you guys because look at this amazing work of art. She does sell her things. If you just message her, she'll let you know. Oh my God. This lady. I love you all. Be good to each other, like Kat says. Bye.